Ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, I wish to take this opportunity to thank you for coming here this evening and for supporting this noble cause that the refugees have put it together. From where I'm seated, I'm not at all surprised. Uganda continues to be a model, a very exemplary model in terms of its generosity towards refugees, and it's something that we hold it very dear to our hearts. For the refugees tonight to say that they want to plow back is an expression of that hospitality that they have been receiving from the people and the leadership of this beautiful country. And I think we need to give them a very big round of applause. I wish to also seize this opportunity to thank profoundly Jeremiah and his team and FARRU for putting these kinds of initiatives all the time. I think what they continue to tell us and to demonstrate to us is the talents that the refugees have. And that, I think, speaks volume. Whenever I listen to them, I ask myself, why can they become stars like some of them? And they will. Yeah? The message that they've been giving us tonight, they're very encouraging, they're very profound. They've been talking about unity, they've been talking about our children, they've been saying how these children should be protected, and it continues. This again demonstrates the profound emotions that they attach to the continent and the future of Africa, and we all need to be proud of that. Despite of their difficult situations, they are survivors, and we can see it. Without further ado, what I'd like to say is that, and this will be my last few comments, I'm not at all surprised why they have selected the theme, but also where they want to take the proceeds to. Majority of the refugees in Uganda are women and children. Children represent about 65% of the total population. For them to want to plow back to see where they can support the children of Uganda, for me is no surprise. And for that, I want to say thank you very much on behalf of all of us, but also on my own personal behalf. Without further ado, I wish to take this opportunity now to welcome the Commissioner, Mr. Kazungu, to give us a few remarks.
Thank you, Rep. Mine will be very few indeed. Remarks, few words to you. I join the representative and all of you in thanking Jemba and team for putting up this initiative. Thank you so much. I would like to thank InterAid, responsible for urban refugee implementation, for being consistent and coming up with several initiatives to help manage the urban refugee issues. Today is fun day, like it's called mental case or MC. Has been saying, we are here to have fun. If you become a mental case, Botarika is near. We can, InterAid can easily call in an ambulance and you're delivered. We are here to have fun. Let's have fun. But above all, Jemba and team have shown us that a refugee is not useless, he or she, wherever he is. Fortunately, Uganda is not like some other countries that are closing borders when people are trying to seek asylum there. I was surprised the other day when some countries said it couldn't manage 13,000 refugees. 13,000 refugees. Uganda is coming to 500,000 refugees, and we don't close our borders. So that's level of humanity to help our brothers and sisters to come, however small our territory is, will continue, and that's what the government of Uganda will continue doing. Cancer, cancer, cancer. I was reading somewhere, and I think it's written that cancer kills more than HIV. Yeah? And yet, in Uganda, we know that HIV kills most. But again, I hear our ladies here fear getting pregnant more than getting HIV. And I think the men who help them get pregnant. But cancer is killing more than HIV. And we are looking at young generations, young kids and so on, very vulnerable, that require early detection, management, and probably cure. When detected early, it can be cured. When it's late, we have to manage it. But when you get it, it should not be the end of you. You can live a productive life with some of these cancers, like it is with HIV and AIDS and other diseases. So this initiative should not only bring blankets and bed sheets to the kids that we are talking of, but also talk to the parents, encourage them to know that getting this disease is not the end of it all. And we make sure that we help these children live a brighter tomorrow. We should be able to help Jemba and team take this initiative further by making linkages with other associations around that putting up initiatives for cancer treatment. This is part of the public-private partnership that the government is encouraging, and we should encourage you all to see to it that this partnership is strengthened and we aggressively tackle this scourge that is affecting our community. Lastly, I'll buy 5 CDs for my Prime Minister, my Minister of State, my PS, and of course myself. Thank you.